Today we will introduce this Gantry laser welding machine. Automatic welding mode. Mainly used to assemble new energy vehicle modules and batteries. The welding position has been determined now. Let's begin welding. Positioning does not require programming. Positioning by turning the hand wheel. Move to wherever the hand wheel is turning. Then press Confirm button to finish location. Fast welding speed. Nice looking texture. Welded firmly. It won't fall down. You can not only weld pure aluminum sheets, but also copper and aluminum sheets. The thickness can be welded up to 2.5 millimeters.